This is probably the easiest way to use a meat thermometer that I have seen. This is a super simple setup. You just charge this unit, it charges each individual probe, and then it connects fast and easy to your phone. Once you've got the phone app open, you don't need to log in or anything like that. It just connects right away. And then you just select the probe you want, and then select the meat that you are cooking, and you can customize the temperature. You press start, and then this unit beeps and your phone notifies you when it's reached the desired temperature. It really doesn't get any more easy than that. This was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. Let me show you exactly how this works. This is the model BF40. So you will need to download the BF Home app. It does come with this USB-C charging cable. So you got your black and your white. When you insert the probe, you want to insert it past the line where this notch is, otherwise you might damage the probe. Now, if you're just frying something, you can just kind of put the probe in like what you see in my clips. But for a barbecue, you want to make sure you put the probe all the way in past this line. So I'll go ahead and download BF Home, and we want to allow the app to give notifications. Let's go ahead and enable it here. Let's go ahead and add a device, and it allows us to select the device we want. We'll go ahead and select device 5. Guess we probably have to turn it on. So just press the button. Wow, that was quick. It immediately recognized. Wow, that was really quick. All right, so we already have the option to change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. I'll go ahead and change that to Fahrenheit, and it shows black and white both. Let's go ahead and put the probes in here. They just snap into place. It says that it is charging. So while these are charging, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in to charge this. And this indicates that the whole unit is charging. All right, so the black probe I'm just holding in my hand, 76 right now. We should hopefully see that go up a little bit more. 78 now, so it is going up. Let's go ahead and press start. And we can select which meat by preset. So let's say we want to do fish. We can manually adjust if we want. Let's go down, press and hold, and go to 85, say confirm and set. It says okay, place the meat. Yep, and continue. So you can see here the 85 degrees is the max. You can see what the current temperature is, and when it hits 85, it's going to notify us that it's done. So close. There we go. Doneness, fish. So this beeps so that we know it's done. We get a notification on our phone so that we know we're done. So wherever we are in the house, we are notified. We know the fish is done, or in this case, my hand. So you can press that, it will stop beeping, or you can come over here and press that. Over here, we can check out the history. We can see that we cooked fish and at what time. And we can see some attentions is what they call it, but basically a guide. We can also set the probe here. And if we want to see some tutorials, we can come here to product and we can see some videos of how to do everything. We can also register the product or get some help or submit feedback. We can also switch back and forth between the black and white probe. You can also see a graph of the temperature. So if we come here, we can see where it's cooked, and you can see now that I'm no longer holding it, the temperature is going down. Shows what the target is, how long it's been going for, and what the current temperature is. And if we want to reset this, we just go ahead and click on it and just say no profile, and then it will go back and we can start all over. If you like to barbecue, if you like to make steaks and you need the exact right temperature, this is what you need. I've used meat thermometers before. Most of the meat probes I've tried before, you have a probe, it's connected to a wire that connects to a unit, and they work fine. But if you want something that is completely wireless and as simple to use as possible, this is the way to do it. There are no wires on these probes. All you have to do is put the probe in, use your phone, and then wait until you get notified, and then you know your meat is done. There's not really much else to say about this. It's so simple and it works so well. It's a perfect meat thermometer.